We've glamorized isolation, made it seem like strength when in reality it hurts us more than it heals us. We were created to work together. Healing happens within community because we need each other. We drank the poison. We fell for the propaganda, another trend that has torn us apart. Individual mindsets have driven us into an already ego-based society. Each man for himself. It's me against the world. No one else. Oh, you think you healed because you stayed in the house and you protected your peace? You read all the books, did the shadow work. Well, think again. The real work begins when you come face to face with your triggers, face to face with, well, you. Because he who triggers you controls you. And what triggers you is the version of yourself that you're unwilling to confront because it's so much more easier to find faults in someone else than you. I'll make you the bad guy. We are overstimulated, overcaffeinated, distracted, too many wrong opinions, too many people with mics, not enough people looking deep within, confronting their demons, healing their traumas from the root, finding meaningful ways to build connection and community. Well, I implore you to take the journey deep within. Don't be afraid. Afraid of what you will truly see when you look in the mirror. No filter, no one to blame. Sit with yourself. Be one with yourself. Speak life into yourself. Heal your inner child. Speak to him or her and let them know that they are safe. Safe in a world that once hurt. You are safe. You are loved. And you can come out from isolation now.